Hey guys, in today's class, I'll be talking about how to know when a particular crypto is about to go higher in price or is about to go lower in price, which means how to know when a particular crypto is pumping or when it's going to reduce in price. Now, as a trader, this topic is very important because it shares how you can understand the market, how to know when to sell or when to buy more of a particular crypto. I've made this video before, but the sound was a little bit crappy, so in today's class I'm going to redo it again. Now I'll be using the CoinMarketCap website, and this is one of the best places you can find how to do all of these things. Right now, you can also use this CoinMarketCap on your phone. Now, first things first, I can select any crypto I like. Now, particularly any crypto you like or you want to make a research on. Any crypto you want to make a research on, you can select it. In fact, you can come to the search bar on this area to search for any crypto you want, and you want to search or you want to know if that crypto would rise or fall. And you can search stuff like Ethereum. Okay, when you click on Ethereum, you will find Ethereum over here, and I'm just going to select Ethereum right now. So when you select Ethereum, which means now I want to know if the price of Ethereum will go higher or fall so much. Currently Ethereum is 2938, so put this in consideration. Right, the next thing you're going to click on is to come on market. You can do this particularly on your phone. It is very simple also on your phone. So I'm going to click on the market area. Okay, now this video do not teach you how to make profit. It's only showing you how to make your decisions when you want to buy more of a particular crypto or if you should sell that crypto. Okay, and I click on market. When you click on market, you're going to come down to this area. Now I've shared so much about the market, how they have been massive and all of that. Okay, and this is what it looks like. On the market area, you're going to come down to this area where you find plus 2% depth and minus 2% depth. Right, now don't forget at the beginning this price of Ethereum was about 2938. All right, now you can see on the plus 2% depth and minus 2% depth. Let me try to explain what it means. Under the plus 2% on Binance, this is Binance. There are a lot of exchanges here. So particularly on Binance, a lot of people have placed $10,700,000 to buy Ethereum. When you see plus and it's likely under the $10.7 million pair, it means $10 million is ready to buy Ethereum now when Ethereum goes 2% above the market price, the current price. So which means as Ethereum is 2938, if Ethereum goes up 2% in price, $10 million is ready to buy Ethereum. But if Ethereum goes 2% below the current market price, $20 million is ready to buy Ethereum. Now what does this mean? This is like a tug of war between the buyers and the sellers. This is people who are ready to sell their Ethereum. This is people who are ready to buy Ethereum. So the market respects the place where there is much more money. So a lot of people want to sell their Ethereum in the amount of $20 million when Ethereum comes 2% below the market price. So definitely you will notice that the price of Ethereum will fall in the next few minutes or in the next few hours if you monitor it closely. Right, it might have some little bit fluctuations high, but certainly it's going to go down lower. Now this is for Binance. Now this is for people who are buying on Binance. On okay, you can see Binance FDUSD. People who wants to sell their Ethereum are high. This high volume of people who wants to sell with a lot of money is going to force down the price of Ethereum. The market respects money. The market respects where there is more money. On Coinbase, you can see that more people are ready to sell, and of course you know that when people are selling cryptos or selling a particular coin, that coin falls down in price or in value. Right, now when people are buying more, that coin increases in value or in price. Now you can see people who are ready to buy is 4.9 million. People who are ready to sell is 5 million. You can just calculate the top 10 exchanges you find here, and then you can make your decisions on whether you want to buy or whether you want to sell. Now forget the temporary rise in the price of Ethereum. This might just be that it may be recovering, but we are looking at numbers on this place, and the numbers here are showing that most people are ready to sell, and because of that the price may just start dropping in value. All right, so on Orbit you can see, okay, the buyers are higher on Orbit because it's a different exchange. This is a Korean exchange. Okay, now on OKX the sellers are more. The sellers wants to sell. You can see the sellers wants to sell. On Bybit, people want to sell. So you can here, you from here you can see how many people are ready to sell their Ethereum. So you can see on Bjet, sellers are ready to sell. Okay, sellers are ready to sell, and I think that is probably the reason why it's falling from 40 to 39, and maybe it can drop further during the day or within the next few hours. On Gate, there is a little bit challenge between the buyers and sellers, but more people are ready to buy, but the margin is very very slim, 4.5, 4.3. Okay, on KuCoin you can see there are more people ready to sell. So from here you see that people are ready to sell. So I just, the way I do it, I kind of look at the top 10 exchanges and make my decision. On Mexi there are more buyers, definitely. On Mexi there are more buyers right now. You can see 2.5 against 2.1. Okay, but KuCoin has more. So top 10, from the top 10 experience I've seen here, or the top 10 money movements I've seen here, are willing to sell their Ethereum, which means I expect Ethereum to go down a little bit in price, at least in the next 24 hours. All right, or in the next few hours. All right, you can find that movement on this area. You can see the downward movement. I think that explains why it came all the way from 33344 to where it is now, 2939. So particularly if you're a trader, this is very important for you. You can see from 29340, from 2938, it was 2938 at the beginning of this class. It went to 29340. Now it's back to 2938. Okay, it's just fluctuating, but generally it is going down. All right, now on the day it's going to go up, you're going to also be notified that it's going to come up. Now forget about this community sentiment. These are those people who are feeling positive. They just want to have that positive feeling because, you know, I can click bullish because I want it to be bullish, of course. All right, but it doesn't have any, it has very little effect on the price of Ethereum. The real thing is that people are actually selling or planning to sell. Yes, let me put it that way. People are planning to sell. That's gone back to 2938, and that's going to be a very huge lesson to a lot of people who are banking on Ethereum. You have to come and look at this video. Please share this video to your friends, and of course like the video so it can go viral. People can see it, people can learn how to know where the money is. So basically, what have I just said right now? I've just said that in any market there's a war of prices. The buyers wants to buy, the sellers wants to sell. Right now, if the money the sellers are willing to sell is more, the price will go down. The value of that coin will go down. You can see Ethereum is almost going down to 2937 right now, and you know it went to 2940. It's now almost 2937. We may even see 2937 before this video is over. All right, now you can see the values are still high, the selling values are still high. Go check it out, okay, on your own. Now if you're wondering why Orbit is higher, Orbit is not an English exchange. Orbit works in South Korea, so people there, they have a reason why it is higher. You can see the price of Ethereum on Orbit is higher, 3002. It's significantly higher than other exchanges. Okay, I've talked about this many times. So I think you understand this video very well, because the first time I made this video, the audio was poor and people did not understand clearly what I was talking about. Right now I believe you must have gotten all the lessons from this particular one. All right, so I'll be leaving you right here to have a very wonderful day. Please give this video a like, because I need it to go viral. I need a lot of people to learn how to know the price of a particular crypto is going to go down or go up based on how much money is ready to buy or sell that crypto, especially from the top 10 exchanges. So for now, I'll see you on another one, guys. Do have a very wonderful day, and see you on the next one.